Hi, welcome to another codeSpace tutorial. In this video, we will see how we can use cookies, local storage and session storage in Angular application. But what are the differences between them? Cookies are primarily for reading by the server-side application, whereas local storage can only be used by client-side browser. Cookies has a limit of nearly 4 KB size, but local storage is as large as 5 MB. Session storage is as same as local storage, but in session storage, data is not persistent and lasts until the window or the tab is closed. For using cookies in Angular, we need to install Angular 2 cookies using the command npm install Angular 2 cookies --save. Then we'll update module.ts and import the component and add it in providers. Next, we'll go and edit app.component.html and add 3 buttons for set cookies, get and delete cookies, and on click call the respective functions. The look and feel of the buttons are generated by Angular material. For details, you can check the link in the description below. We'll now change app.component.ts. We'll import the cookie service and initialize in constructor. And in set cookies, we'll set it with key test. And get and delete cookies function in get cookies and delete cookies respectively. We'll run the server and open browser console using F12. On application tab, we can find different types of storages. We can see under cookies, it doesn't contain anything. We'll now hit set cookies and check the browser console. We can see now it got registered. If we click get cookies, an alert will pop up with cookie value, and on delete it will remove the cookie. Now we'll use 2 other types of storages. For that, we will give npm install ngx web storage --save and import the component in app.module.ts. In app.component.html, we will create 4 buttons for create, get, delete, local storage and session storage respectively. In app.component.ts, we will use the services. We will import local storage and session storage from ngx web storage and initialize in constructor. And update the function to set and retrieve data. We'll save both the files and open the browser and click set storage. It will reflect in local storage tab. Similarly, we will set session storage and check the console. Now if we close the window and open it again and try to get the session storage, it will show null. Also in console, we can see the key doesn't exist. But local storage persists and we can retrieve it by clicking get local storage buttons. This is one of the many ways to work with cookies and storage. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. I am Gaurav and you are watching codeSpace tutorial. Get notified for upcoming video tutorials by clicking subscribe and notification bell icon. For queries, comment below. Thanks for watching this video.